think you should stop.
No, Matthias, can you just shut it off?
Yeah, shut it off.
Matthias, shut it off!
Alright.
That looked way too real.
I think that is real.
They've all been watching.
We have to do something, and we have to do it now. Oh my god. That's my mom. No!
You saw what he did to those people!
Can't they find the rest of us too?
You don't understand what you have gotten yourself into.
Do not click the link. Do not click the link.
Get out of there right now!
AJ, get out!
AJ!
I can hear you. Are you still
Kelly,
there?
I can't
just
see you.
Web. Unfriended Dark Web by Stephen Susko. This movie revolves on character named Matthias and his friends. Matthias finds a laptop with disturbing content from the dark web. This leads to them getting targeted by cybercriminals. This movie features illegal marketplace, also known as black market. This illegal marketplace has many anonymous sellers. An ICT trend is used. This movie is hacking. This malware can control, manipulate devices, or gain access in tools to monitor like CCTV and other more devices. This movie shows hacking that allows hackers to gain access on personal information and control devices. The movie I learned in this movie is to be cautious and be aware of unknown files, links, email, and suspicious activities on our devices. Also, we need to protect our personal privacy. To secure our personal information, we need to use a stronger password to lock this information.